Right guys, Ukadmin here. I just thought I'd give you a quick demo of the new Dyson. Just quickly again, it's the DC24. Don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you've got the DC24 and it's the animal. There you go. It's not very light today guys, it's a bit of a miserable day, but yeah, it's the animal. As you can see there, it's the Dyson ball. It's like a silvery grey, like a dark silvery grey and a purple colour. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a quick demo of the vacuum today guys, and how it actually functions. As you can see here on the back, you've got the red foot pedal, which actually releases the vacuum, and then on the top here you've got the on and off switch, and that's the pile, basically the floor pile, how intense you want it. It's quite good really, and the handle itself it clips off, as you can see. So yeah, just gonna slot that back in there if I can. There we go. It's quite easy, and if I'm not mistaken, this is quite a nifty. It's quite nifty, but you press the button, you can put the handle right down, so it goes like that. It's actually really compact. Really nice. So yeah, just lift the handle back up, it locks into position. Right, quick demo guys, here we go. Just going to switch. It's really quiet as well, considering compared to the other Dysons I've bought over the years. There we go. So yeah, it's quite good. See the spinners there going round when you actually put your vacuum up to stop. So yeah, away we go. And as you can see there guys, it's pretty awkward to do the vacuum and film at the same time, but yeah, that's my new Dyson ball. So yeah, please comment, like and share if you enjoyed the movie, and if you want to see anything else on the vacuum itself, like how to empty it, how to remove filters, you know, all that type of stuff. I'm sure you can probably read manuals, but if you're struggling with anything, please also give me a comment down below, and I will get back to you with some kind of answer via text, or I'll make another quick movie for you. Right guys, catch you later. Ta-ta. Bye-bye.